Hello student, I am Shivam sir. Welcome back to another important video. Today I am telling you preparation of bases, physical and chemical properties of bases, usage of bases. First I am telling you preparation of bases. First method, by the action of metal, by the reaction of metal with oxygen. Second, by the action of water on metal, reactive metal. Third, by the action of water on metal oxide. Fourth, by the reaction of aqueous solution of salt with with base. Fifth, by by decomposition of by decomposition method. In this method we heat calcium nitrate, calcium carbonate, and by the action of oxygen with metal sulfide, by the reaction of ammonia gas with water. Okay students, these are the few methods for the method of preparation of bases. Now we will study these method of preparation of bases in a systematic way. So please look here. First point, by the action of metal by metals. First method is by metals. By metals, metal react with oxygen to form metal oxide, and metal oxide is called base. Metal is sodium react with oxygen to form metal oxide Na2O. Number of oxygen here 2, so we have to take here oxygen 2. 2 2 ja 4, so we have to take here 4. First method, by metals, metal react with oxygen to form base or metal oxide. Second, by the action of water, by the action of water, by the action of water on metal, metal react with water to form base NaOH. Balance it, multiply it, sodium by 2, 2 NaOH, 2H2O, and hydrogen gas is also formed. Second method, metal react with water, or we can say water react with reactive metal. Which type metal? Reactive metal, to form base or sodium or metal hydroxide. Third, third is by the action of water on metal oxide, by the action of water on metal oxide, metal oxide, by the action of water on metal oxide. Look here, metal oxide is Na2O. Na2O react with water. This is metal oxide, this is water. 2 Na, 2O, H combined to form 2 NaOH. So we can say water react with metal oxide to form base or sodium hydroxide. After this, number 4. Number 4, by the reaction of aqueous salt. By the reaction of, number 4 is, I am telling you directly, by the reaction of aqueous salt with base to form metallic hydroxide, that is also called base or alkali. Look here, this is a ferric chloride. Ferric chloride react with base sodium hydroxide to form FeOH का whole thrice. This is called ferric hydroxide plus 3NaCl combined to form 3NaCl. Number 5. Number 5 is by the reaction of oxygen with metal sulfide. Look here, number 5. Heading is by the reaction of oxygen with metal sulfide. So look here, oxygen is O2 and metal sulfide is zinc sulfide. We get this process is most important in chemistry. I am telling you name of this process is roasting. 2ZnS plus 3O2. We get 2ZnO, 2ZnO plus 2SO2. 2ZnO plus 2SO2. Student, this process is called roasting. So please learn it. This is most important process. In the last 10 year, 5 to 6 time come in board exam. Number 6. By decomposition of, by the decomposition method. By decomposition method. Heading is by decomposition. By decomposition of salt, we can also say. So decomposition method is divided in two parts. By heating carbonate, calcium carbonate on heating gives calcium oxide, base and carbon dioxide. Second, by heating nitrates, calcium nitrate CaNO3 whole twice on heating give calcium oxide. Balance it, 2 we have to take here 2 CaO, 2 2 ja 4 nitrogen and oxygen to form 4NO2 plus O2. Now count number of oxygen, 2 3 ja 12, 2 3 ja 6, 2 ja 12. Number of oxygen here 12. Oxygen 2, 2 4 ja 8 plus oxygen 2. Count here, 2 plus 8 10 plus 2 12. Oxygen is balanced. Okay, after this seventh method, by the reaction of ammonia gas with water to form ammonium hydroxide, that is also base. By the reaction of ammonia gas with water to form 1H attach here, ammonium hydroxide. Okay student, so these are the 7 methods for the preparation of base. I am telling you these method again. Number 1, by metals, or we can say by metals or from metals. Metal react with oxygen to form metal oxide. Second, by the action of water on metal, metal react with water or water react with metal to form base, sodium hydroxide. By the action of water on metal oxide, water react with metal oxide to form base or sodium hydroxide. By the reaction of aqueous solution of salt with base to form metallic hydroxide. This is also called base or alkali. This is especially called alkali. By the reaction of oxygen with metal sulfide, metal sulfide react with oxygen to form base. This process is most important. This is called roasting. What is roasting? A process in which ore is heated in presence of air. It's called to form oxide. It's called roasting. 6th point is by decomposition of salt. First is decomposition of carbonate salt. Calcium carbonate on heating gives calcium oxide. This is base. Second is by decomposition of nitrate salt. Calcium nitrate on heating gives calcium oxide. This is base. And this is nitrogen dioxide. This is oxygen gas. After this, by the reaction of ammonia gas with water. Ammonia gas reacts with water to form ammonium hydroxide. Okay student, I hope that you can understand the method of preparation of bases. Second point is physical properties of bases. Look here, I am telling you physical properties of bases. Physical properties of bases are, number 1, bases are physical properties. Physical properties of bases. Number 1, first property, bases are bitter in taste. Okay, base change the color of indicators. Base change color of red litmus to blue, red litmus to blue. Base change color of methyl orange from orange to yellow. Base change color of litmus indicator phenolphthalein from colorless to pink. After this, bases are strong bases are strong electrolyte. They show mild corrosive action on skin. Okay, students. So look here one by one. Number one, bases. First point. First point is bases are soft. Bases are bitter in taste. Bases are bitter in taste. Bitter means होता है कड़वा. Bases are bitter in taste. Second point. Bases they change the color of litmus. They change the color of litmus. They change the color of indicators. They change the color of indicators. Or litmus is also right. That is also indicator. Okay, students. So first is litmus. First indicator is litmus. Second, methyl orange. And third is phenolphthalein. Phenolphthalein. They change color of litmus. They change color of litmus. They change color of litmus from red to blue. Base turn red litmus to blue. Base change the color of red litmus to blue. Second, base change the color of methyl orange from orange to yellow. After this, base change the color of phenolphthalein from colorless to pink. Colorless to pink. After this, number 4, base are strong electrolyte. Base are strong electrolyte. Number 5, strong electrolyte means they conduct electricity in their aqueous solution. Okay, base are mild corrosive action on screen. They show mild corrosive action on skin. Student, I hope that you can understand physical properties of bases. Now I am telling you chemical properties of bases. First chemical property, reaction with carbon dioxide. Second, reaction with acid. Total 4 chemical properties of bases. First, reaction with carbon dioxide. Second, reaction with acid. Third, reaction with is third is reaction with first I am telling you, look here, you have to listen all the properties one by one. So, student, I am telling you chemical properties. I am telling you all chemical properties one by one. So, chemical properties. Chemical properties of bases. Number 1, reaction with carbon dioxide. Reaction with carbon dioxide. Base NaOH means sodium hydroxide react with carbon dioxide to form sodium carbonate Na2CO3 sodium carbonate. We can say base react with carbon dioxide to form salt and water, or we can also say base sodium hydroxide react with carbon dioxide to form sodium carbonate and water. Okay, student. Two sodium, number of carbon 1 carbon, hydrogen 2, oxygen 314, 2 2 4. Second, reaction with acid. Reaction with acid. This is base NaOH. Base react with acid HCl to form salt NaCl and water H2O. Okay, student. Fourth point, third point, sorry. Third point, reaction with metallic salt. Reaction with metallic salt. In metallic salt, base react with copper sulfate. First metallic salt is copper sulfate. Second metallic salt is zinc sulfate. Third is iron sulfate, or we can also say ferrous sulfate. React with base react with metallic salt. Student, this is most important reaction, so you have to prepare it. These reaction come in board exam from last 10 year to 8 times. Especially observe, in case of observation in board exam ask color, so please prepare it. Ammonium hydroxide, we get ammonium sulfate, NH4 whole twice, SO4 plus CuOH का whole twice, copper hydroxide. You have to learn, student, color of copper hydroxide. Color of copper hydroxide is pale blue, PALE, pale blue. After this, base react with zinc sulfate to form an zinc hydroxide. This is most important reaction. And color of zinc hydroxide is gelatinous. It forms gelatinous precipitate, gelatinous white. You have to learn color of zinc hydroxide is gelatinous white. After this, ferrous hydroxide with ferrous sulfate react with sodium hydroxide to form FeOH का whole twice, to form FeOH का whole twice. This is dirty green, and sodium sulfate, Na2SO4. Student, you have to learn the color of this precipitate. Color of this precipitate is dirty green. First, you have to learn color of copper hydroxide. I will ask you color, so listen to me. Color of copper hydroxide is pale blue, PALE, pale, BLUE, blue. Zinc hydroxide is gelatinous white, and iron hydroxide, ferrous hydroxide is dirty green. Okay, students. After this, fourth reaction. Fourth reaction is reaction with ammonium salt. Reaction with ammonium salt. Reaction with ammonium salt. Ammonium salt is ammonium chloride. Base react with ammonium chloride to form ammonium hydroxide, which is weak base, and salt NaCl. Okay, students. So these are the important thing you have to learn. Uh, in these reactions, this reaction is most important reaction. You have to prepare it for board exam. Student, after this, I am telling you usage of bases. Look here, usage of bases. Usage of bases. First point, sodium hydroxide. Sodium hydroxide is used in the manufacture of soap. Second point is potassium hydroxide. Potassium hydroxide is also used in the manufacture of soap and salt. So we can say potassium hydroxide is used in the manufacture of soap and salt. After this, calcium hydroxide. Calcium hydroxide is used in the manufacture of bleaching powder. Bleaching powder. डियर स्टूडेंट, फॉर्मूला ऑफ ब्लीचिंग पाउडर इज, कौआ काव काव बोलता है, कल बोलेगा, 2 बार बोलेगा, काव कल दो, काव यानी CaO, काव की स्पेलिंग CO, कल की स्पेलिंग Cl2. दिस इज द फॉर्मूला ऑफ ब्लीचिंग पाउडर, कैल्शियम ऑक्सीक्लोराइड. एंड फोर्थ इज मैग्नीशियम हाइड्रोक्साइड. Magnesium hydroxide is used as an antacid, antacid. And fifth point is calcium oxide. Calcium oxide is used as a drying agent. Drying agent. In the last 10 years, 3 to 4 time question come, write the name, write drying agent. So drying agent name is calcium oxide. Student, I have done very hard work to prepare this video. I hope that you can understand all points clearly. If you have any problem, then write it comment box. Like this video, share it to your friends. Okay, students. Okay, thanks you students.